In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero, what to search for, and which connector to choose so you can bring your accounting data into Power BI for clean, reliable reporting. Start on your Xero dashboard. Look for the small grid icon near the top of the page. This icon opens Xero's app launcher and shortcuts. Click it to reveal more options. If your screen is zoomed in or you're on a smaller display, you might need to scroll or widen the window slightly to see the full header area. From the menu that appears, select Open Xero App Store. This takes you to Xero's marketplace, where you'll find vetted integrations designed to extend Xero's capabilities. It's the safest place to discover and connect apps that work well with your existing setup. Once you're in the App Store, head to the search bar and type Power BI. Using the exact term helps surface the most relevant connectors immediately. If you see filters for country or category, you can leave them at their defaults, then refine later if needed. In the results, locate the listing for OData Link. Click it to open the app's page. OData Link acts as an OData connector that exposes your Xero data in a format Power BI understands, making it easier to build dashboards without complex custom scripts. On this page, confirm that the connector specifically supports Xero to Power BI scenarios and scan for notes on features like table coverage, multiple organization support, and data refresh options. Take a moment to check the details. Review the overview, screenshots, pricing, and any usage limits. Look at reviews to gauge reliability and support responsiveness. It's also worth noting the security and permissions section, so you know exactly what access the app requests. If there's a trial, that can be a convenient way to validate performance with your own data volumes before committing. When you're ready, click Get This App. This begins the connection setup from within Xero. Follow the on-screen prompts provided by the app to proceed. The flow will guide you through what's needed on the Xero side so the connector can make your data available to Power BI. That's it for the Xero portion. You've opened the App Store from the grid icon, searched for Power BI, selected OData Link, reviewed its capabilities, and started the install by choosing Get This App. After this, you can move into Power BI to use the OData connection the app provides, then shape and visualize your data as needed. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your dashboards.